Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to answer two of the most frequently asked questions about backlinks. Being a citizen of the web, I'd like to hoop on a question and answer site like Quora to share my knowledge with those who are looking for it. In the weeks leading up to the creation of this video series, I was merely addressing questions around backlinks for pleasure and for research. The major theme of most of the questions that I came across while answering them was, do backlinks still matter? And how do I get quality backlinks quickly? Let's look at the first question. In all of my experience and research, I have found no credible example of where an expert in this matter has ever said backlinking doesn't work. These rumors around backlinks are that started with the introduction of the penguin and hummingbird algorithms changes made by Google in 2012. With these changes, Google for the first time introduced semantic search. They also introduced policies around backlink building. As a result, people who were taking advantage of risky backlinking methods were found out and punished, and everyone else doing backlink building the right way was rewarded with their spots. So backlink building is dead for those who misuse it. But backlink building in general still remains a cornerstone for search engine ranking algorithms and a core element of the internet as a whole, because it gives humans like you and me an opportunity to give their votes to which websites they found most useful. Why is this important? Because we have to remember that Google is just a computer algorithm. What I mean by that is Google can guess which content might perform better for a unique search query, but they still need the help of humans like you and me to guide their judgment, because we are better equipped to address what is useful and what is not. The second major theme I was confronted on Quora was, how do I get quality backlinks quickly? Now, I don't want to be that guy who says this, but unlike other areas of SEO where you can download a plugin or write better content with backlinks, majority of the control does not rest in your hands. With almost all other SEO areas, you're looking to be efficient doing things the right way, but with backlinks, you are looking to be effective doing the right things, because backlinks are given out by other website owners. Relationships are key, and the best relationships are built over time, much like growing a better flower, which requires a certain amount of fertilizer, water, sunlight, and time to grow naturally. Remember, adding more of any of these ingredients won't make too much of an effect to the end product other than potentially destroying it. So my short answer to everyone asking this question is that there isn't any quick way to earn quality backlinks. In many professional opinions, link building is the hardest part of the SEO, and that is as it should be, because only individuals making a conscious effort to add value to the web should realize this benefit. But with that being said, as Google gets smarter and smarter, you will need less and less backlinks to support your content, as long as they're quality backlinks. In conclusion, yes, backlinks are still important to SEO, and we can even cite two conclusive studies which suggest what is the most important part of the SEO. And secondly, no, there isn't any way to build quick quality backlinks unless you're adding massive amounts of value to the web. To close up this video, I want to say something that might encourage you to stay with me in this backlink building series. I have a belief that the success for your backlink building campaign will be directly related to how much value you are able to add to your niche and to the web. Here's the encouraging part. This belief was simply just a belief a few years back, but now it's a reality. What it means for you is that most powerful area in SEO is wide open and ready for your taking. Most people using dirty tricks are ranking search engines have or are about to get penalized. Meaning, if you are completely new to SEO and link building and you are ready to follow the steps that I'm about to outline, then we're basically starting at the same point as the majority of your competition, if not further ahead, regardless of how many years they might have on, because the rules have completely changed. Feeling motivated? Okay, in our next videos we are going to explore what backlinks are in more detail. See you there!